Oh, vaca!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Disconnecting. Disengaging.
Oh, because of that cotter pin. Yeah. You were saying this was sounding clunky?
Yeah, something sounding like.
Okay,
It
maybe.
wasn't sounding like it was.
I'm surprised it stayed tight as long as it
It
did.
didn't sound like it was. It wasn't hitting. They weren't hitting each other, because that makes a different noise.
Okay.
A noise I've never heard before. It's not metal hitting metal. It sounds like it's acting like it's off balance. Like somehow one of those blades is wrong.
Barely loose, maybe?
Yeah, or in the wrong position. And then it went away. Then I did a bunch more. I started doing it again.
Oh, yeah. Shaking like crazy. The blade's got to be cockeyed somehow. It's hard to tell.
Huh?
It's hard to tell.
I'm scared on there.
Is that one stuck that way?
I don't like that sound. It's not there. The bearing's fucked up. Alright.
Might as well give her a sharpen.
Yeah, sharpen her up.
Go around it off. I just got those one side, the bottom side, the blade sharpened. Now we're gonna tighten these up. If you haven't watched a video a long time ago, early in my YouTube channel, we had to weld these. By the pig pen?
Yeah, the big box, the big one. You gotta hold the big one, right?
I'm afraid I'm gonna pinch my fingers. Hopefully it's not empty.
Shouldn't be.
Seems like that stuff just evaporates.
If you just put regular oil in here, it'll evaporate. You don't put grease in too. And gear oil. This gear oil is not. No, it's alright. I'm not scared.
I know, right?
It's easier without it.
Yeah. My hair is bad,
That was better, huh?
but it's not on its side. But still, when I heard it worse on the tractor.
Alright, that's good.
I doubt that's standard.
Well, I think it's a New Hollander.
New Holland? Okay.
I'm not sure though.
New Holland.
Fuck, look at this
Is it-
greaser.
New Holland American?
It's,
It's like Dutch or something.
yeah, something like that. Look at that fucking
Ooh.
thing. You get some new grease ones.
See if this shakes. Way too much. Slightly slanted to the right too. Not shaking as much now. I don't know why. Still is wobbling though. And it might just be wobbling a little. Barely. Is that the horned one we gotta get over there?
Yeah.
Leading?
Got spray?
Yep, got a spray. Sip of core.
Go, girls!
She's got cuts on her.
Let's go, come on. Let's go.
She's got a bunch of flies on her too, and the other ones don't. Well, I guess they do.
Let's go, come on. Whoa. We'll go back over there a little bit.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I'm back behind them so I don't scare them. Ho, ho. Ho. Let's go. Ho. There you go. Ho. There's Palomino. There they go. I'll get that one sprayed so she doesn't get screwworms. Are we letting the horses in?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta get the last
Oh yeah, that's not Palomino. That's what's his name? What's his? Musero.
Oh, we take that wing up and put it there in the shade?
Yeah. Oh, these two just broke out into this pasture over, and then that one that's running just broke into the fence.
Oh no! One in that field would be crazy.
Still?
All of them. Yeah, they do. We just ate this field. We're not quite ready yet. Maybe a week. Maybe next Friday, Saturday, put them in there. Man, if I could keep them in there for this long. Yeah. Try to kick them out from the top. Get old farms with geese first.
I hope it grows a lot more.
It's growing.
It's short.
It needs to grow more, yeah. If you keep breaking in there and doing other stuff.
I didn't see the one we got to spray.
Will you close it?
Yep. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Oh, Waka. Oh,
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa,
yeah.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go for a hole. Oh, Waka.
Oh, oh,
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah, yeah, ho, 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 ho. Ho. Can you hold this?
Yep.
Hold the pallet.
Oh!
Yeah, here, hold this thing.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, vaca.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh! Oh! She used to have an ear tag?
Yep. They tagged all of them. They fell out. No, not all of them. Some of them did.
Oh! Oh!
Okay, let's get it out. Oh, yeah. Not that bad.
Oh!
Oh. You okay? Oh, girl. Oh.